Welcome to Fusion 360 tutorial at Ingis Tech. In this tutorial, we will practice some joint features, joining two components in an assembly. So the first one, we will try the between two faces. Without further ado, let's get started. Fusion 360 joint feature can be accessed from the top toolbar. Now if you click the joint, there are three options given. Now the first one is a simple, and the second one is between two faces, and the third one two edge intersection. This time we will start with between two faces. Basically, as you can see, this is the Omni wheel assembly. So I drag this motor clamp. So this will clamp this motor, but with the screw position, this hole supposed to be aligned with this hole. So if we just keep it like this, then we click joint between two faces. So the faces will be inner face. So one can be this face. So as you can see, one selected, and the next one will be the opposite side, this face. Then it is asking for a select a snap point to place the joint origin. So that is the hole I would like to be on the first hole. So if we can just get it like this, then zoom in just to get the proper view. Okay, so I would like to be it inside. I'll move it again. Okay, so this snap point would be here. Now for the component 2, I will zoom out. Okay, same like between two faces. So I would like to get it these two faces between these two faces, this other side, these two faces. So face 1, and I can click face 2, and the snap point would be, it's better to zoom. So this would be the snap point here. So as you can see, seamlessly the motor clamp has fastened with the motor screw holes. If we can make it okay, then okay. Get it bit backward. Okay, so it's better location. Now simple snap. Need to zoom in this part. Again, simple snap this and this. So because this part are designed from the same origin, as you can see, but so they have this same kind of snapping point, and this is really handy for simple snap and precise as well. Then you can drag a bit, things like that, but in my car I drag it. So this is the way you can execute two of the snapping. I will do the video with the third one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you at next time. Again, when it is roller joint as well. The roller joint, you can see the sketch, so I turn off the sketch visibility. I will copy this because that needs to be both sides. Flip. As you can see, just flip this side. Now the other one. Okay. So this is the current condition. Let's zoom in. Minus 0.44. So we have some clearance. We can see the joint. Flip. Okay. Now to drag the TT motor. Minus 0.44. We need to get it more out, so I will just edit the joint, get the better visibility. So minus 22 seems appropriate. Yes.